This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get the Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store app, so the workaround is to find the official Epic Games store or epicgames.com website. Just make sure to go for the official web source, which you can very simply do by typing in the Fortnite APK query into whatever search engine you use. In my case, that's Google. Then, as I've already said, you will need to look for the official epicgames.com website, or Fortnite.com website will do just fine. So open whatever web page from the aforementioned two will pop up first in your particular case. Then confirm the file download that it will present. After that, launch the file. Then allow Google Chrome or any other browser that you use to install unknown apps. Then install. After that, launch the Epic Games Store app. Open the Fortnite page and tap the install button on the Fortnite page. And now we will wait for the game to download all necessary files. Well, not all, but all the files that are rather necessary to install it later. So as you can see, once the Fortnite itself is also ready to be installed, this is the mask that we give the Epic Games Store, the same permission we gave the Google Chrome, which is install unknown apps or install apps from unknown source. So just allow it once or forever, well, that's up to you. And then just install the game. Then you can just go ahead and launch the Fortnite game this time. And in here, the final step is to wait for it to download all remaining, well, resources and updates. Usually it's about 7 gigabytes of data. In my case, as you can see, some unknown error occurred while connected to the Epic Games servers, which is like a technical issue. So I've just happened to record this tutorial while there are some technical updates, or well, just overall technical issues on the Epic Games end. But basically what you will usually get is the Fortnite picture over here and the download bar to the bottom, which will show you where are you at the way of downloading the earlier mentioned updates and resources that I've mentioned earlier, and said that they are about 7 gigabytes. But well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.